Hello Vivekians, I, Mrs. Sugam, your science teacher, welcomes you to the next day of school from home program. Hope you all are safe and healthy at your home and giving adequate time to your studies. Today, from your course book of science, we will continue chapter 2, Adaptation in Plants. In previous videos, we have studied about habitat and its types. Habitat, that is, the environment in which a plant grows, is called its habitat. We came to know about adaptation also, that is, a special feature to survive in any habitat. Based on the landforms of habitat, it is divided into two major groups, which are land or terrestrial habitats, or another one, water or aquatic habitat. In terrestrial habitat, we have 5 categories, that is plants in plains, plants in the deserts, plants in the marshy areas, plants in the mountainous region, plants along the sea coasts. Plants in the plains, we have already discussed about it. These are those plants which can grow on plain landforms. ऐसे plants जो plain landforms के ऊपर grow करते हैं. Like deciduous trees we have studied. Okay, now today we will learn about the adaptive features of terrestrial plants that grow in the deserts. Now see this picture of cactus plants. Observe it carefully. Does it have any leaves? Does it have many branches? Where is it generally found? Do you know? I'm sure some of you can answer my questions. It is a cactus plant and it is found in desert areas. It has no leaves as it is a desert plant. And what is desert? Deserts are the hot areas with very little water or very less rainfall. So the plants in the desert areas have long roots that go deep into the ground in search of water. They have very little or no leaves. So as to reduce the water loss, they have thorns, so animals cannot eat them. They store water mostly in their stems, so their stems are fleshy. Desert plants' stems and leaves have a waxy coating to reduce the loss of water. It also protects them from the heat and dry air of the desert. Desert plants are also called xerophytes, and some examples are, see the picture, desert lily, desert marigold, cactus and elephant tree. So, हमारे desert areas में कैसे plants होते हैं? ऐसे plants जिनकी long roots होती है, deep जाती हैं वो नीचे तक water को search करने के लिए, और इसीलिए इनकी leaves भी काम होती हैं, और जो stem होती है वो fleshy होती है water store करने के लिए, और इन plants की outer covering waxy होती है. इसकी वजह से वाटर का लॉस जो है रिडक्शन कम होता है, वो स्टोर करके रख पाते हैं अपने आप में वाटर को. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लांट्स, दैट इज प्लांट्स इन मार्शी एरियाज. Marshy areas are those areas that are covered by water for a long time. The soil here is clay, sticky and wet. These areas are unfit for agriculture. Plants that grow here are called mangroves. ऐसे plants जो ऐसे marshy areas में grow करते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? Mangroves. See the picture. The roots of the mangrove plants grow above the soil so that they can get enough air to breathe. Such roots are called breathing roots. Some mangrove plants are red mangrove, buttonwood and cereops. Now come up to the next category of terrestrial plants, that is plants in mountainous region. Now what is mountainous region? As the name suggests, that region which is surrounded by hills and mountains. The trees that grow in the hills to survive the cold weather and snowfall. The trees are cone shaped and they have straight and tall trunks and needle-like shaped leaves. They have cones instead of flowers. So these trees are called conifers. यहाँ पे माउंटेन पे जो प्लांट्स होते हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? कोनीफर्स, बिकॉज वो कोन शेप के होते हैं. उनकी जो लीव्स होती हैं वो नीडल लाइक होती हैं, ताकि जब स्नोफॉल हो तो उनके ऊपर वो इकट्ठी ना हो पाए. इनकी कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हैं पाइन, स्प्रूस, सीडर एंड फिर. एंड सम ऑफ यू हैव सीन ऑल्सो कुछ लोग माउंटेन्स पर गए होंगे हॉलीडेज़ के लिए. So you have seen. Okay, now let us know about the plants along the sea coast. Sea coast. You already read about this in your previous classes also. That area which is present near the sea or the border of the land adjacent to the sea. Coconut trees are usually found along the sea coast. These trees need a lot of water to grow. Trees in these areas do not shed their leaves like the trees in the plains. हमने प्लेन्स ट्रीज के बारे में भी रीड किया था. deciduous trees in winter season this shed their leaves, but here it doesn't, as they have plenty of water and sunlight throughout the year. Some of the examples are betel nut tree, palm tree, etc. Okay, students. Now let us summarize the topics that we have done till now. We have done habitat. Habitat, what is habitat? The environment in which a plant grows, and it has two major groups. First is terrestrial habitat and another one was water or aquatic habitat. And we have done terrestrial habitat and it has 5 categories. First we have done plants in plains, then plants in deserts we have done, then plants in marshy areas, plants in mountainous region, and plants along the sea coast. We have done. Now come up on your today's homework. Let's try 2. In let's try 2, the question is, can you identify me? They are asking you have to giving a name. First I am doing for you. First part, animals are afraid to eat me. I have thorns all over my body. I grow in the desert. Who am I? Can you guess? Yes, it's a cactus plant. Now rest of the parts you have to do yourself. Now students, you have to read the whole content thoroughly that we have studied today, as it will enhance your understanding level. So this is all for today. Now follow these set of instructions. If you don't have book or notebook, maintain your work in any notebook which is available at your home. Image of each and every page is being provided to you. Do your work neatly and according to the pattern. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.